Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. Yes guys, we have another unboxing. I'm so super excited about this unboxing. But before we get into all of that, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the family if you're not already subscribed. And also for my returning subscribers, please do not forget to turn on the bell notification so you're aware of every time that I post a new video. And also, in addition to my amazing subscribers, thank you guys so much for the continuing support. Thank you for turning in every week to see what videos I posted. I love you guys so much. And anyway, let's get into this unboxing. All right, guys, before we go any further, this is how my package. So I got this before. Let's just break it down. So I got this item from actual Coach outlet, okay? The website, not in the actual Coach outlet store. This is an item that I've been wanting for a long time, but every time it comes out, it's literally sold out. There was one time I saw it on the Coach retail website, but it was under the like the Coach Relove thing or Upwork, or I don't even know what they call it, but it's under the section where it's pre-love Coach, vintage Coach that they rework and put it back on their website. Anyway, so I was able to pick up this item from the Coach outlet website because it was such a great deal, first of all. But I am hoping that my bag is not damaged, because this is how the package came, okay? This is what they put my bag in, guys. So I just wanted to do that quick rant before we get into unboxing what I picked up. Okay, guys? So let's get into this. Yeah, see? Sorry. If you guys can see right there. So this is how my package literally came, guys. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Look how many dirt just came from this. Sorry, guys. I'm back. I literally had to clean my table because the bag, like I just showed you guys, that it came in has so much dust. I hate when they use that type of box, even in any type of shipping that I get. I don't like when they use it, because that's just a cheap box to put a bag in that I paid. I'll let you guys know how much I paid, but let me just open this bag. So this is how my package came, guys. From the Coach outlets. Okay, this is how they wrap my stuff. I think you guys probably already know the bag that I picked up, but I did pick up the Coach. This is the Alie bag. I've been wanting this bag for so long, guys. So this is the size 18. So this is not the big one. This is just the 18 size. Let's just make sure if there's any damage, because the packaging sucks, guys. So I just want to make sure the bag doesn't have any type of damage on there. How do you even open this? Let's see. Hmm. How do you even open this bag? Let's see. Doesn't even show you the mechanism to open it. So just make sure. All right. All right, guys. So it doesn't look like it has any type of damage on the bag. Obviously, this is a really strong bag, but I'm just trying to figure out how to open this bag, because it doesn't even tell you the mechanism on how to open it. Let's see. Oh, okay. So you just push it. Okay, so you push it. Sorry, guys. So you push it and then open it. But as you guys can see, okay. Ooh, I just want to make sure. So it doesn't have, I thought it was like damage on here, but it's just I guess with the packaging and stuff like that. You see up here? Sorry, guys, for the shaking. Look at this. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Kind of have like little, but I think it can actually clean off. So if it can clean off, I don't have an issue with this. But it looked like it can clean off. So anyway, let's open the inside of it. Okay, so as you can see, it comes with the dust bag. It comes with the Coach. I guess this is the, let's put this down. Okay, so this is like the Coach care package. On here it says Coach. So like I stated, this is the 18. The only thing I see is like a little crease right here, but I think if I rub it out, it will probably come out. So I don't have an issue with that. The bag looked good. There's no damages on there. Let's look here. There's no damages on here. Guys, one thing I could say about this bag though, it is really soft. Like, because it's pebble lead, I thought it was going to be a little bit strong, but it's actually pretty soft. So I'm happy about that. Um, the opening and closing mechanism is kind of a little bit weird because like you really got to push this down in order for you to get into the bag. That's a little bit weird and kind of like doesn't really make sense why they did it like that. But I do love the color. I don't think I even have this color in my collection, so this is the reason why I actually picked up this particular one. It, like I stated, it doesn't look like it has any type of damage. The packaging, I was way disappointed with the Coach packaging, the Coach outlet packaging. I know it's a small bag, but for you to put my bag in that thing, yeah, no, no way. Anyway, so this one I think I picked it up for I think it was like 190 or 170 something. I did use Rakuten and got like 2 or 3% back. So I paid what, like I think it was like 190 or something. And then with the Rakuten reward back, with the tax and everything, I think I covered my tax. But this bag is simply beautiful. I do love it. I love that it has the D-ring on the top, so you pass um, the strap through here. But as you guys know me, I might not ever use this leather strap at all. I might just use the get a chain. I do have a chain strap that matched this that came in my Coach, the heart bag. So this metal right here is the same. So I probably use that chain that comes with the small heart bag in here and then just cross it out and use it that way. But I do love this bag though. It's actually pretty cute. It do meet my expectation because like I said, I've been looking for this bag for a while. As you guys know, Coach discontinued this bag. So occasionally they might bring it up on the Coach outlet or on the Coach Rework website. I mean, the Upright website. I forgot what the name is, but they usually will bring this bag on there. So I'm finally happy that I was able to pick this up. They do have the Jacquard one with the snake print, but since I live in California, every time I try to order that, it doesn't allow me to order it because I guess because it has the snake letter on it. It doesn't allow for it to ship to California. But anyway, I am actually happy with the purchase. The bag did not come damaged at all. So I'm so happy about that. The packaging sucked. That part I'm definitely not happy about. But beside that, the bag look good. It looks really good. And I'm finally so happy that it's actually finally part of my collection. Like I stated, I've been looking for this. This is the Coach Alie bag. I've been looking for it for a while. Let me see. So I think if it has, so this is the style number that they gave, 4617. I'm not sure if this is correct, but it was initially 495. So 4617. So I'm not sure if that's correct item or not. But beside that, like I stated, this is the only thing that came on there that's a little bit damaged. But I'm going to stuff this bag so that it could keep the shape. But I am happy with the purchase. I can definitely say I'm happy with the purchase. I'm just really disappointed on the way the bag came and in that shipping condition. But anyway, guys, so this is the unboxing for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.